So here we have the WASSCE 2023 Core Mathematics Paper 2, General Mathematics Paper 2 for WASSCE 2023, and we are going to solve the questions in this video. So before we begin, kindly please click the subscribe button if you have not done so yet, and also kindly share this video with your colleagues. I'm grateful for doing that for me. The first question is this: a car travels a distance of 112 kilometers at an average speed of 70 kilometers per hour. It then travels further for 60 kilometers at an average speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Calculate for the entire journey the total time taken. So, speed is given by distance over time taken. So, average speed is given from the question as 70 kilometers per hour for the first journey, and the first distance is 112 kilometers. So we substitute these values and we make T1 the subject, that is the first time, or the time for the first journey. And when we simplify this, we get 1.6. T sub 1 equal 1.6. So that is the hours taken for the first journey. Then the second journey, we have the same formula: average speed equal distance over time taken. So we substitute this time the average speed, which is 50 kilometers per hour, and the distance, which is 60 kilometers. So we make T to the subject, and that will give us 1.2. So the total time taken, or the time for the entire journey, is T1 plus T2, which is 1.6 hours plus 1.2 hours, and that will give us 2.8 hours. Now the B part says that if x over y equal 2 and y over z equal 3, find the value of x plus y over y plus z. So it's just like substitution. So we have to calculate and substitute into this. So given that x over y equal 2, then x will be equal to 2y. Then from this one, y will be equal to 3z. So if x equal to y and y equal 3z, it means x is therefore equal to 6z. So 2 into bracket y, which is 3z. So it means x is equal to 3z, 6z. So we are expressing everything in terms of z. So we express x in terms of z, and we express y in terms of z. So we substitute 3z wherever I see y, and I will substitute 6z wherever I see x, and I will leave z in the equation, in the expression like that. So x is 6z. So 6z plus y is 3z over y, which is 3z again, plus z. So this will be equal to 9z over 4z, and this will give us 9 over 4, or 2 whole number 1 over 4. There are other ways you can do this, but I think this is okay for you to understand. So we can proceed to the next question. Question 2. In a football match, the tickets for children and adults were sold at D 3.00 and D 5.00 respectively. So if 400 people attended the football match and 1,700 was collected in ticket sales, how many tickets were sold to adults? So this is what we can do. Let's see, represent that of children and A represent that of adults. So the total number is 400. So C plus A is equal to 400. Now from this we can make A the subject. So A will be equal to 400 minus C. So we can call this equation 1. We're told that 3D is for children. So that will be 3 times C plus 5D for adults plus 5A is equal to 1,700. That is the amount sold in all. So we can call this equation 2. So if I put equation 1 and equation 2, I'm going to get 3C plus 5A, which is 400, minus C is equal to 1,700. So 3C plus 5, 4, 20. So plus 2,000 minus 5C is equal to 1,700. So 3C minus 5C will equal to negative 2C is equal to 1,700 minus 2,000. So negative 2C is equal to negative 300. So divide both sides by negative 2, negative 2. C will be equal to, so C will be equal to 150. 150. So 150 tickets were sold to adults. Then when we put this into equation A, we get A to be equal to 400 minus 150, which is equal to 250. So 150 tickets were sold for children and 250 for adults. So this is the answer for this. 250 tickets were sold to adults. Now, we're told that Mr. Sonko sold 250 tickets. If 175 of the tickets were for adults, so 250 tickets in all, 250 in all. Adults is 175. So children will be equal to 250 minus 175. And that will be equal to 250 minus 175. 250 minus 175 will be is 75. So 75 tickets for children. They said that how much sales did he make? So as we saw, we're told that the adult ticket costs this amount and the children costs this. So we'll get 3 times 75 plus 175 times 5, and that will give us, so 3 times 75 is 225, and 175 times 5 is 875. So if we put all together, 875 plus 225, we get 1100. So that is how much sales it made altogether. In a diagram, PQR is an equilateral triangle of size 18 centimeters. M is the midpoint of QR. An arc of a circle with center P touches QR at M and meets PQ at A, and line segment PR at B. Calculate correct to 2 decimal places the area of the shaded region. So since this is an equilateral triangle, and when we draw a straight line from P to M, it will divide the angle, which is 60 degrees each, to 2 equal parts over here. So we know the equilateral triangle has each angle to be 60 degrees. So this is 60, this is 60, this is 60. But this line divides that angle into 30 degrees each. So we were also told that the equilateral triangle has side 18 centimeters. So this is 18 centimeters. So since M is the midpoint, this is 9 centimeters. Now we can calculate the height of this triangle because we need to find the area. So sine, let's use sine. Let's use cos 30 will be equal to adjacent, which is h over 18, which is the hypotenuse. So cos 30 is root 3 over 2. So 18 cos 30 degrees is equal to h. So 18 times root 3 over 2 is equal to h. So h is 9 root 3 centimeters. That is the height. So if the height is 9 root 3 centimeters, then the area of the equilateral triangle is given by area equal half base times height. So the base is 18, so that is half of 18 times height, which is 9 root 3 centimeters squared. So that will give us half of 18 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81 root 3 centimeters squared for the equilateral triangle. Then we can find the area of the sector. Area of sector, which is equal to theta. The theta here is 60 over 360 times pi r squared. So 60 over 360, that will be 1 over 6 times 22 over 7 times r squared. So the r is equal to the height of the triangle because it touches the circle here and it is coming from the center of the circle P. So it is equal to the radius of the circle. So the radius of the circle is 9 root 3. So 9 root 3 squared centimeters squared. 1 over 6 times 22 over 7 times 9 root 3 squared. So this will give us 127.285,714 centimeter squared. So it is the whole of this is recurring, but you can leave it like that. So now we have to subtract this, which is 81 root 3. 81 root 3 is in decimals is 140.2961. So centimeters squared. So area of shaded region is equal to area of equilateral triangle, which is 140.2961 minus 127.2857. So when you subtract this, you get 13.01 centimeters squared. So the area of the shaded region is 13.01 centimeter squared to 2 decimal places. In the diagram, P, Q, R, and S are points on the circle center K. Line segment KR is a bisector of angle SRQ. Angle KSP is equal to 41 degrees and angle SKR is 80 degrees. Find angle RQP. This angle here. So we know this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle RQP plus angle RSP should be equal to 180 degrees. So angle RSP, this angle here and this angle here are equal. So if this is A, this also be A, because K is the center of the circle. So we know that A plus 80 equal 180 degrees. So 2A is equal to 180 minus 80, which is 100. So A will be equal to 50 degrees. So this angle is 50. So the whole angle here, which is angle RSP, is 50. Angle RSP is equal to 50 plus 41. So angle RQP plus 50 plus 41 is 91. Plus 91 is equal to 180. So angle RQP is equal to 180 minus 91 degrees. So 180 minus 91, that will give us 89 degrees. So we're also told that the line KR bisects this angle. So this is also 50. So 50. So this whole angle here is 100. So if this angle is 100, this angle here is 100. then this angle, which is angle SPQ, angle SPQ plus the 100 degrees angle should be equal to 180 degrees because they are cyclic quadrilateral. So angle SPQ will be equal to 180 minus 100 degrees, which is equal to 80 degrees. Here is question number 5. Before we start, please kindly share this video with your colleagues and also kindly click the like button if you like this video, and thanks so much for doing so. Now, question 5 says that a boy stands at a point M on the same horizontal level as the foot T of a vertical building. He observes an object on the top P of the building at an angle of elevation of 66 degrees. He moves directly backwards to a new point C and observes the same object at an angle of elevation of 53 degrees. If MT is equal to 50 meters, illustrate the information in a diagram. So we're told that the boy stands at a point M on the same horizontal level as the foot T of a vertical building. So let this be the vertical building, and then the boy stands at a point M. So M will be here, and he's observing the top, which is P, and the foot of the building is this T. So because T and M are on the same horizontal level, now we were told that the angle of elevation is 66 degrees. 66 degrees. Then we're also told that he moves directly backwards to a new point, which is point C, and this time it's 53 degrees. So we can complete the triangles like this. We're also told that MT is 50 meters, so 50 meters. MT is 50 meters. So if that is the case, we are asked to calculate the height of the building. So calculate the height of the building to one decimal place. The height of the building is MT, is PT. So tan 66 will be equal to opposite, which is H, over H is PT, the same as PT. PT over adjacent, which is 50. So 50 times tan 66 will be equal to PT, which is the height of the building. So 50 times tan 66, that will give us 112.3 meters. So you should convert first of all these to decimal before you multiply, for the sake of scoring more marks in the exams. Now we are going to calculate MC, the length of MC from here to here. That's what the question asks. So the length of MC. So we need to first of all calculate, we know MC. So MC is in triangle PTC. So we know that tan 53 is in that triangle. So we know that 53 is in that triangle. So tan 53 will be equal to opposite, which is 112.3. 0.3, this is 0.1302. I'm using more decimal places because I'm calculating. So tan 53 is opposite, which is 112.302 over adjacent, which is TC, and TC is 50 meters plus MC, that is magnitude of MC. So we have 50 plus magnitude of MC will be equal to 112.302 over tan 53. So 112.302 divided by tan 53. That will give us 84.6256. So 50 plus magnitude of MC is equal to that. So magnitude of MC will be equal to 84.6256 minus 50. That will give you so minus 50, that will give you 34.625, which is approximately 34.6 meters. So magnitude of MC is equal to 34.6 meters. Question number 6 to 13 will come very soon. Please kindly subscribe so that you get a notification when I've uploaded it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, God willing.